Is it safe to use aluminum foil in a toaster oven?
Hello everyone! Today, we're delving into a common kitchen query. Is it safe to use aluminum foil in a toaster oven? By the end of this video, you'll have a clear answer and the knowledge to use your toaster oven safely.
What is aluminum foil?
Aluminum foil is a thin sheet of aluminum that is often used in cooking and baking. It's popular because of its flexibility, conductivity, and resistance to heat. However, when used incorrectly, it can pose certain risks.
The pros of using aluminum foil in a toaster oven.
1. Even cooking. Aluminum foil reflects heat, ensuring even cooking. It's especially helpful for items that might otherwise burn before cooking through. 2. Less mess. Foil can catch drips and prevent spills, making cleanup easier. 3. Keeps food moist. When covering food with foil, it can help retain moisture, ensuring your food doesn't dry out.
The concerns and precautions.
Despite the advantages, there are some concerns associated with using aluminum foil in toaster ovens. 1. Fire risk. If foil comes into contact with the heating elements, there is a risk of fire. Always ensure there's a safe distance between the foil and the elements. 2. Short circuits. Small bits of torn aluminum foil could cause a short circuit. Ensure your foil is intact and not hanging over the edge of the tray. 3. Limited airflow. Using too much foil can restrict airflow, potentially leading to uneven cooking or overheating. 4. Toxicity concerns. While generally considered safe, cooking acidic foods on aluminum foil can lead to a small amount of aluminum leaching into the food. It's best to avoid using foil for acidic items like tomatoes or citrus fruits. In conclusion, while aluminum foil can be used safely in a toaster oven, it's essential to exercise caution. By being aware of the potential risks and always ensuring that the foil doesn't come into contact with the heating elements, you can make the most of your toaster oven experience. Happy cooking and stay safe!